Demeanor. Someone's outward behavior or the way they carry themselves. Example: her calm demeanor made everyone feel at ease during the meeting. Notorious means being famous for something bad. Example: he was notorious for breaking the rules at school. Apathy. A lack of interest, enthusiasm, or concern. Example: the student's apathy towards the project was clear when he didn't even try to complete it. Wary means being cautious or on guard about possible dangers. Example: she was wary of strangers offering help after her previous bad experiences. Emulate means to try to match or surpass someone by imitating them. Example: he tried to emulate his older brother's success by studying just as hard. Eminent means someone is famous and respected in their field. Example: the eminent doctor was known worldwide for her groundbreaking research. Grumble means to complain in a low voice. Example: he grumbled about the long wait, even though the service was usually fast. Hostile means being unfriendly or showing opposition. Example: the conversation turned hostile when they started accusing each other of lying. Undermine means to weaken something, often in a subtle or sneaky way. Example: his constant criticism began to undermine her confidence. Vicarious means experiencing something through someone else's actions or experiences. Example: she felt vicarious excitement watching her son score the winning goal.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.